Welcome back to what will be the final paint episode of the rebuild process on this Salvage Challenger. I've mounted up the bumpers in the same manner you saw previously, just using scrap wood to secure items to the rolling workbench. You'll notice one new part here. I purchased a trunk spoiler on eBay, just over $50. I thought with the new, more aggressive front end, it needed a little help in the rear. All these parts are prepped with a red Scotch-Brite pad, and I clean it with a solvent-based cleaner, followed by glass cleaner, and finally a tack rag just before spraying. The only difference in today's process and the last video comes from some advice that my body shop contact gave me. When painting plastic parts, like all of these here today, it's important to use an adhesion promoter prior to the sealer going on. Let's get to work. Just a couple things worth noting here. I sprayed these bumpers in the orientation in which they'll be installed. It's mostly important when spraying metallics, since gravity can do weird things to the flake and cause it to look like a different color out in the sun. Also, I positioned these parts in the booth in the order in which I plan to spray. The camera is just above the fan, so the airflow goes away from what you see. I start on the bumpers, and the overspray goes away and onto the parts that I haven't painted yet. It doesn't really matter. This way I never have any freshly painted coats get overspray from another that I'm working on just afterwards. It's also important here, since I'm doing all these small parts in a different color. They're going to be that same metallic black that the hood stripes are. Stay tuned for the reveal on this car's exterior in the next video. I'm excited to see it all put together and looking awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.